How to add a highlighted headline to Wix. So in order to add a highlighted headline to your Wix website, you can use a third-party widget from platform like Common Ninja. To do that, head over right here to commonninja.com and log in or sign up if you do not have an account yet. In this case, let's head over and click on this Create Widget option. Then from in there, click onto the search bar and search in here for highlighted headline. You can see this right here, so head over and click onto this, and then this will open the widget editor. Now into this part, just wait for this and then just head over and choose which part will be highlighted. So we have in here a placeholder text which is let your central idea shine. So this is what it looks like. You can add more fragments and you can also edit that, change the text, and also put in here the basics for the highlights that you would want. It can be an underline or a highlight altogether, just like this one, or just like this. You can also go to the advanced option and choose the font color, text styles, and also the custom styles that you want. Once you're done with this, head over and click onto this publish option, click onto the save widget, and then from in this part, head over and click onto this copy code. Once you have copied the code, head over right here to your Wix website, and then onto this part, just head over and locate the part wherein you want to add this. In my case, I'll head over and add this just right around here. Click onto this plus icon. Once you have added this, look for the option called embed. You should be able to find it right here. It's also called iframe. So just drop and drag it right here on wherever you want to put it. I'll put it right around this part as I indicated earlier. So just drop it right here wherever you want to put it. Now once you have dropped the iframe, click onto this enter code. And then enter in here the code that we have copied. Click on update. And then wait for this to update and it should be able to show you in here the highlighted headline that we have earlier. So that's how you add a highlighted headline to Wix. I hope this video helped you out.